Two top project management platforms face off. Trello versus Monday.com. Which one really delivers? On the left, Trello, the simple yet powerful Kanban board. And on the right, Monday.com, a comprehensive solution for complex projects. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points. And at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you in 2025. Okay, quick look at what we're comparing today. Here's the mind map. So we've got pricing, ease of use, features, reporting and analytics, collaboration, integrations, and customer support. Stick with me because each one makes a pretty big difference. And I'll tell you where each tool shines or maybe kind of falls short. Let's kick it off with pricing. Trello's pricing, actually kind of sweet, especially if you're just starting out. I love that you get a generous free plan. That's huge if you're a small team. And the paid options are definitely on the lower end. Only catch, the advanced stuff gets a little limited unless you cough up for higher tiers. Now, Monday.com, it's, well, more expensive. Like, if you want those fancy advanced features for bigger projects, be ready to pay a bit more. But hey, you do get a lot for your money if you need all that power. So, if you're watching your wallet, or just want something that doesn't break the bank, Trello wins here. Ease of use. Oh, I love this one. Trello is basically plug and play. Seriously, the Kanban board setup is so intuitive, even if you've never used one before. No massive learning curve. Sure, you don't get advanced customization, but honestly, that's kind of the charm. Now, Monday.com, it's super customizable, but wow, you got to set aside some time to figure it all out. That learning curve is pretty real. If you want quick, simple setup, Trello's the winner here. Features time. Trello gives you unlimited power-ups, which is pretty cool, and collaboration is a breeze. But here's the thing. If you want deep reporting or really complex project management tools, Trello doesn't quite hit the mark. Now, Monday.com, oh, this is where it flexes. You've got advanced project management stuff. Think time tracking, all sorts of automation, Gantt charts, and more. If features are your jam and you want to geek out over every detail, Monday.com definitely takes this round.
Wait, quick pause. Did you know choosing the right tool can actually boost team productivity by up to 30%? I mean, isn't that wild?
All right, reporting and analytics. Trello is, fine. It's got a super simple dashboard, really clean, but you're not going to get much analytics beyond the basics. If you like keeping it light, it works. Now, Monday.com, whoa. Customizable dashboards all the way. Tons of reports, and honestly, sometimes almost too many options. It can be overwhelming, but for data nerds, Monday.com is the clear winner. Moving on to collaboration. Trello's got some nice templates, and it's easy to bring your team in. Really simple. Downside? Real-time features aren't always the best. You're working, but not necessarily seeing changes instantly. Monday.com, though, tons of real-time tools, even work docs for working together live. Only thing, it might feel a bit much for tiny teams, but for bigger groups, this is amazing. Call it a tie, because honestly, it depends on what your team needs.
Integrations. Everybody wants their apps to play nice.
Trello actually surprised me here. 200 plus integrations, which is pretty wild. Main downside, some advanced stuff isn't as simple. Monday.com also rocks the integration game, and if you need fancy advanced setups, it's got you covered. Yeah, setup can take longer, but you get depth. It's really close, so for integrations, I'm calling it a tie. Last up, customer support. Trello, well, there's a lot of friendly community stuff and webinars, especially if you're on a free plan. But for serious support, it's kind of limited unless you're paying. Monday.com, now that's impressive. 24/7 live chat, emails, and if you're in the big leagues, you actually get a dedicated customer success manager. You might not need so much hand-holding, but it's nice to know they're there. Monday.com takes customer support, hands down. Let's visualize those scores on a radar chart, just so you can kind of see where the strengths and weaknesses really stand out between Trello and Monday.com. You'll definitely notice some categories have clear winners, while others are super close. So here's my take. If your team's small or you want something fast and simple, Trello is such a good choice. But if your projects are getting bigger and you need all those fancy features and serious support, Monday.com is probably worth the extra spend. Honestly, both are amazing, and the right pick just depends on what you actually need.
Curious to learn more? Check out Trello and Monday.com for yourself and see which fits your workflow best. Go level up your project game.